color.
Why buy GrowGlow's Rainforest Terrarium? Herb sparkles. A lush mini rainforest at home. Experience the beauty of a tropical jungle in a compact, self-sustaining terrarium. Perfect for adding a refreshing touch of nature to any space. Low maintenance, high impact, our rainforest terrariums are designed to thrive with minimal care. They create their own ecosystem, requiring little watering or upkeep. Just enjoy the lush greenery. Stress relief and well-being. Studies show that having greenery indoors reduces stress and boosts mood. Let the calming presence of a mini rainforest bring relaxation and serenity.